ukuthi ukukhuluma kwakhe kuyakhombisa ukuthi like ukuthi mayethi abantu babemnyama njengami nawe. iBhayibheli lathathwa kuleli izwe lakithi. Nayi quotation yalo mhlawumbe ezokwenza ukuthi like the latter point is shown by his continuous reference to the phrase nyama njengami nawe. Mayikhuluma ngokuzalwa kaMoses uthi Moses was a prominent priest of Egypt. At the beginning it was not said that he was an Israelite, but he was said to be an Egyptian. The Egyptians are black people like us. At the beginning they were like us, but now they have mingled with the Muslims. Their hair is now mahashahas. I like that because angangas will translate kanjalo. It is no longer like yours. Their face also has changed, but there are still those who are really black. It is these Egyptians who started Moses' religion. Because Moses, when he was born of Jewish parents, his mother and father abandoned him, fearing that he would be killed. He was found by the daughter of the king of Egypt. This girl was black, like you and me. He thus grew up as the child of the king's daughter. He grew up in the royal house. He became a prominent priest and worshipped as the Egyptians were worshipping. But he had not forgotten that he was a Jew because he was quite like the Jews and he knew how he was found. So uyabonakala lapho ukuthi into engishoyo ukuthi engage kwakhe ubabelana neBhayibheli kuyakhombisa ukuthi ukhuluma nabantu abanye babo mhlawumbe abangazazi kahle ukuthi barelate kanjani eBhayibhelini. So into ayenza ukuthi alithathe alenze libe nemeaning kwi-context yabantu like wayemnyama njengami nawe ukuthi lokho kwenza ukuthi iBhayibheli abantu abalalela bengalithathi njengento elekude kodwa ukubaluleka kwalo ukuthi lirelate kanjani kithi njengabantu abala. So khuluma kanjalo emnyama njengami nawe wathatha khona lapha eAfrika abalithathanga kwamanye amazwe. When he left Egypt traveling with his people, going to where God had told him, he wrote these books of Genesis up to Joshua. But the laws there are similar to those of the Zulus, the Xhosas, and the Sotho, and other black nations. They are not different. All Moses' laws are like that. They are similar to the ones of your nation. Perhaps what God taught him, which was not there in Africa, is the Sabbath that we are in today. But circumcision has always been yours, you Africans.